Welcome back everybody, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave a comment down below if you like videos like this. Today we are going over the Harbor Freight dollar days that are going on from April 23rd to May 6th. Also, there's a couple of new tools we're going to check out at the end, so let's go ahead and get started. First off here, we got the KN95 mask 2-pack, your choice of colors of white or black, $1, saving you 37% off. That is a very good deal on that one. Next up, we got the Storehouse Cable Ties 100 pack, your choice of colors. You can also get it in 5-inch black or the 4-inch in white for $1, 49% off. That is another good deal on that. Then we got the Super Strong Quit Seconding Epoxy for $1, saving you 44%. That's a good deal on that one. And finishing off this row, we got a Pittsburgh Lifetime Replacement 3-inch line level for $1, 15% off, right at our threshold. Starting off this row, we got some more Pittsburgh Lifetime Replacement. We got the socket rails for $1, 49% off. You got them in quarter, 3/8, and a half. Now these are the metal ones. They are only $1, but be careful with these. These are the ones that will slice you open. Once again, I would spend a little bit more money and get some better ones off of Amazon, but that's just my personal thought on these. So let's move on. We got the Merlin 1/4-inch steel automotive plug, your choice. Once again, a female or male. This one is $2, 19% off. That's a good deal. Then we got the Storehouse electric clip set, 28 piece for $2, saving you 33% off. That is a good deal for something like that, mostly if you're doing a lot of electrical stuff. Then finally in this row, we got the Hallmaster ball stretch cord set, 4 piece for $2, 33% off, and that's a good deal. Starting off this row, we got the Avante 6-inch premium paint roller frame, best quality for $2, 19% off. That's a good price on that one. Next up, we got a Hallmaster 1/2-inch forged cargo D-ring anchor for $3, 39% off. That's another great deal. Then we got some more Pittsburgh Lifetime Replacement stuff. We got the 12-inch quick release bar clamp for $3, 33% off. That's another great deal. Now we got the finishing out this row, the Merlin straight air chuck with lock-on lever, $3, 24% off. That is a good deal for the lock-on lever. Starting off this row, we got the Pittsburgh oil filter pliers for $4, 55% off. That is a heck of a deal. I'll leave a card up above. I actually have this thing, and I used it a couple of times, I think once in the video, and I've used it about 4 times since the video. I really like this thing, and I don't know what took me so long to get it. Really wish I would have picked it. So if you're looking for something like this, $4 at 55% off, now is the time to get it. Then we got some more Pittsburgh stuff. We got the Mechanics Stethoscope for $4, 55% off on that also. Another great deal. Next up, we got the Chicago Electric 30-watt lightweight soldering iron, $4, 33% off. That's another good deal. Finally, in this row, we got the Warrior Security bit set, 33 piece, $4, 33% off. I do have this bit set, and it is not a bad bit set. I don't use it all the time, and being a Warrior product, that's their bargain basement stuff at Harbor Freight. As long as you do it like I do and only use it every once in a while, it'll probably be a good set for you. Starting off this row, we got the Franklin vacuum storage bags 4-pack for $5, 37% off. That's a good deal. Now, I don't know if I've ever seen these on the dollar days before or not, but we got the stainless steel tweezer set, 6-piece for $5, 28% off. Not a bad deal at all on something like that. Next up, we got the Central Pneumatic 1/4-inch MPT air regulator with gauge for $6, 14% off. Just under our threshold. If you need it, get it. If not, I would wait for a better deal. Say like the 30% off deal that's coming up this weekend. That would probably be a good time to snag these up, because all of these in here will be covered under that probably. So the last thing we got in this row is going to be the garden hose quick disconnect 6-piece, $6, 24% off, and that's a pretty good deal. Starting off this row, we got the Warrior 6-inch general purpose bimetal reciprocating saw blade set, 12 packs, $7, 29% off. Then we got some more Pittsburgh Lifetime Replacement pry bar set, 3-piece, 29% off at $7. That's a good deal. We got a battery operated liquid transfer pump. This one is going to be $7, 49% off. That's another great deal. And then finishing out the dollar days, we've got the Warrior cordless micro engraver with diamond tip ballpoint. This is $8, 33% off. Not a bad deal. And there is your dollar day sales that's going on for April 23rd to May 6th. Some good picks in there this time around. Leave a comment down below on what you guys would pick. Now let's check out and see if there's any new tools. Alright, now it looks like we got a couple new tools here since the last time we looked at them. First off here, we got the Icon 350 pound heavy duty mechanics roller seat with a drawer and tray. $69.99. What a deal on that. Let's click on this. Alright, so they're comparing this one to the Snap-on, and that one is at $244, saving you $174. Not a bad deal, and I want to scroll down here real quick. This is the one I have, and I absolutely love it. You can see regular price on it is $109.99. I paid a lot less for that because I picked it up last year, I think during one of the parking lot sales. I think I paid like 80 bucks for it, or 90 bucks, somewhere around in there. Absolutely love this. But if you can't afford that, this might be a great new item for you, mostly since it goes up to 350 pounds. For people with a big butt like mine, maybe these ones won't break. So let's take a look at some of the specifications on this already. I've got the SKU number being 59639. Of course, it's an Icon. The material is steel, vinyl seat. I can never say that right. Foam pad. We're just going to skip over that. Product weight on this is going to be 23.4 pounds. Caster size is 3.5 inch. You have 4 casters on it. And then the product height is 7 and 13/16 inch. And then the workload, of course, is 350 pounds. Not a bad deal. Let's take a look at that Braun light. Now, I don't know if I covered this in my last video or not. I know the trailer hitch on, we did do those. So we're going to take a look at the Braun 4200 lumen LED rechargeable heavy duty clamp light here for $54.99. Not a bad deal on that. Now, why would you want to go with a clamp instead of magnetic? Well, sometimes you're working on spots that aren't magnetic, that are not metal. So it'd be nice to have a clamp on this, so you can clamp this on your hat and use it. A lot of different uses for it. They're comparing this one to the Coast for $105.95, saving you $51 on that. Not a bad deal at all. And it looks like it moves a bunch of different ways. That is very nice. So here's some other lights from Braun and Icon and Bauer you can look at. Let's take a look at the specifications on this one. You're looking at the SKU being 71075. Of course, it's Braun 4200 lumen. And then accessories included is a USB-A to USB-C charging cord, lithium ion. Product height on this is 9.85 inches. The range on high mode is 300 feet. This one has the protection rating of IP54, direct volt 7.4, runtime fully charged is 16 hours. Bulb type is a cob LED. And then the battery capacity is 5200 milliamp hour. Battery included, yes. And then the product width is 4.8 inch. And then we don't care about the shipping weight on that. So there you go. There is all the new products that are coming out now from Harbor Freight that we haven't gone over yet. And there you go. There is all the new tools that came out since the last time we took a look at them. So, as always, like I said, leave a comment down below. Anything you guys picking up for dollar days, or either one of these two new tools interest you. I'd like to hear a comment down below. Let's start a conversation. So, as always, don't forget to check my link tree out down below. Down there, I have affiliate accounts that do help out the channel. Some of them got discount codes to save you guys money. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below. We are One Nation Under God, and I'll see you all on the next one.